How to fix VLC media player not playing YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, open VLC media player and go to media at top left. Open network stream. Paste the YouTube URL and tap play. If you encounter an error, close VLC. Now you can use the link provided in the description to download the updated youtube.lua file. Save the file example on your desktop. Open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Go to Program File x86 for 32-bit VLC or Program Files for 64-bit VLC. Open the video LAN and go to VLC Folder. After that, you need to navigate to Lua and now click on Playlist inside the VLC folder. Delete the old youtube.lua file. Relaunch or drag and drop the new youtube.lua file into this folder. Relaunch VLC media player and go to media and navigate to open network stream. Paste the YouTube URL and click play. The YouTube should now play without issues. And that's it. If you encounter any problems, drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Thank you.